I just picked up a new camera and I got the Canon R5 MK2. Now let's unbox this baby and show you guys what's in it. Instruction manual, we don't need that. Warranty because I beat the crap out of my cameras. A sleek R5 MK2 strap. Battery, look at this. LPE6P. 6P, you need the P version. Boring Canon charger. I don't know what this is. Oh, nice, USB-C cable. Oh, that's a nice looking body right there. A very large screen, very large, I think it's called a viewfinder. That's where I put my eye holes. Full battery power. Oh, it's so clean and so nice. Love that. I have a tally light right there. I don't know how many times I thought I hit record or I was recording and I was doing some selfie videos and I wasn't recording. So that's super exciting. We have a full-size HDMI port. We have a Type B C Express card slot and a regular SD slot. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Accessories for this camera, so we picked up a small rig fan because this camera gets super hot, just like your mom whenever I'm around. Cool it down a bit. Small rig cooling system fan for Sony, Canon, and Fujifilm cameras. Sorry, Lumix. What is all this? Oh my goodness. Look at that puppy. Take your fan. Slide it in there, let's get you in there. There you have it. Secure? Oh, maybe not. Maybe not too secure for run and gun situations. Definitely gonna wanna keep a thumb on it or so. Alrighty, let's get a lens on this puppy and try her out. Guys, I can't wait to get shooting on this camera and I'm super excited to see where this year takes us and I hope I can capture some beauty shots for you. See that? See that? Oh, beauty, look at that. Look at that. Would you look at it? Look at it.
Look at it, just look at it.
Henry's camera.